Welcome to Big Ideas for Small Spaces, where we explore creative and practical solutions for making the most of your limited outdoor area. In today's episode, we're focusing on transforming a tiny front yard into a stunning outdoor oasis. Whether you have a small patch of grass, a narrow strip of land, or a compact urban garden, we'll show you how to maximize every inch to create a beautiful and functional space. One, assess your space. Before diving into any project, it's crucial to assess your space. Take measurements of your front yard and note any existing features such as walkways, trees, or structures. Understanding the dimensions and layout will help you plan more effectively. Sketch out a rough design, marking where you want to place key elements like plants, seating, and pathways. 2. Define your vision. Think about what you want to achieve with your front yard. Do you want a tranquil retreat, a vibrant social space, or a lush garden? Defining your vision will guide your choices in terms of plants, materials, and decor. Consider your lifestyle and how you plan to use the space. If you love entertaining, prioritize seating and gathering areas. If you seek relaxation, focus on creating a serene environment with soothing elements. 3. Choose the right plants. Selecting the right plants is essential for a small front yard. Opt for plants that are proportionate to the space and won't overwhelm it. Dwarf varieties, compact shrubs, and ground covers are excellent choices. Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to maximize space. Think trellises, wall-mounted planters, and climbers like ivy or jasmine. Use a mix of evergreen and seasonal plants to ensure year-round interest and color. 4. Create layers and depth. In a small space, creating layers and depth can make your yard feel larger. Use a combination of low, medium, and tall plants to add dimension. Raised beds and tiered planters are great for achieving this effect. Incorporate elements like garden art, sculptures, or a water feature to draw the eye and add visual interest. Mirrors can also be strategically placed to create an illusion of more space. 5. Incorporate hardscaping. Hardscaping elements such as pathways, patios, and retaining walls can help define the space and add functionality. Choose materials that complement your home's exterior and the overall aesthetic you're aiming for. Pavers, gravel, and natural stone are excellent options. A well-placed path can guide visitors through the garden, while a small patio or seating area provides a cozy spot to relax. 6. Maximize seating options. Even in a tiny yard, it's possible to create inviting seating areas. Built-in benches, foldable chairs, and compact bistro sets are ideal for small spaces. Consider multifunctional furniture like storage benches or tables with hidden compartments to maximize utility. Position seating to take advantage of the best views and to encourage social interaction. 7. Add lighting. Proper lighting can transform your front yard into a magical oasis after dark. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Solar-powered lights, string lights, and lanterns are energy efficient and easy to install. Highlight pathways, plants, and seating areas to ensure safety and enhance the overall aesthetic. 8. Personalize with decor. Personal touches can elevate your front yard from ordinary to extraordinary. Add cushions, throws, and outdoor rugs to seating areas for comfort and style. Incorporate decorative elements like wind chimes, bird feeders, and garden statues to reflect your personality and interests. Choose colors and patterns that complement your home's exterior and create a cohesive look. 9. Embrace vertical space. When floor space is limited, think vertically. Vertical gardens, wall-mounted planters, and hanging baskets are perfect for adding greenery without taking up valuable ground space. Use trellises or pergolas to support climbing plants, creating a lush canopy overhead. Shelving units or ladders can also be used to display potted plants and garden accessories. 10. Water features. A water feature can add a sense of tranquility and movement to your small front yard. Consider a compact fountain, a bubbling rock, or a small pond. These elements can attract birds and other wildlife, enhancing the natural beauty of your space. Choose a design that fits the scale of your yard and complements the overall aesthetic. 11. Create a focal point. A focal point can draw attention and anchor your design. It could be a striking plant, a piece of garden art, or an architectural feature like an arbor or trellis. Position the focal point where it can be easily seen from different angles, creating a visual impact that makes the space feel more dynamic. 12. Use color strategically. Color can influence the perception of space. Light and bright colors tend to make areas feel larger and more open, while darker hues can create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Use color strategically through plants, decor, and paint to achieve the desired effect. Consider a monochromatic scheme for a sophisticated look or a vibrant palette for a lively, energetic vibe. 13. Maintain simplicity. In a small space, simplicity is key. Avoid cluttering the yard with too many elements, which can make it feel cramped and chaotic. Choose a few key pieces and plants that you love and let them shine. Regular maintenance like pruning, weeding, and cleaning will keep your front yard looking its best and prevent it from becoming overgrown. 14. Incorporate sustainable practices. Sustainable gardening practices can make your front yard both beautiful and eco-friendly. Use native plants that are adapted to your local climate and require less water and maintenance. Collect rainwater in barrels for irrigation and consider installing a drip irrigation system to minimize water waste. Composting kitchen scraps and yard waste can enrich the soil and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers. 15. Seek professional help. If you're unsure where to start or need expert advice, don't hesitate to consult a professional landscaper or garden designer. They can help you create a customized plan that suits your space, style, and budget. Professional guidance can ensure that your small front yard transformation is successful and stress-free.